Yo, 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 it's Saint with Kaizen Skrrrt, and we about to do a little fixer upper 1-2 today. I gotta change my tire. We're gonna lube and clean the chain. I got some ignition coils, some spark plugs, a filter, the whole tune up 1-2. We're gonna change the tire first. I got everything over here. We better get busy, man. I'm gonna let y'all know I'm gonna keep doing more of these videos. Trying to get the hang of talking to the camera. As y'all can see, I'm a little rusty, a little lame with it. But yeah, we about to switch it up. We gonna handle business. All right, let's do it. Let's get you on the stand, mamas. Hey, so first, we gotta get this motherfucking tire off, my boy. So let's do it. I know this finna be a bitch. Watch the video. He had one of these. How he broke the rim. Y'all finna see. I'm back. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I had to go take that shit to the shop. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't wanna fuck the wheel up. The wheel was like 200. I ain't got time for that right now, you feel me? So, but I'm not gonna lie. Getting that tire on there was crazy. I tore my rim to pieces, bro. Finally got it on there. I gotta crank it back on, which I'm gonna do real quick. I had to go back and forth to cycle gear. I took my tire to get balance. Forgot the damn spokes and shit, so they couldn't even do it. Had to go to my game. I got the hoop and shit on. Late, got to play the second half. Came back, put the tire on. I'ma add some little pegs on because I broke my pegs. I'ma take the bike back inside because I gotta do the spark plugs, the ignition coils, and the filter. But it's getting dark. I can't really see out here. So I know I got much more light back in the house. So we're gonna get back in the crib. But